Hello everybody. Let's see how to apply for DL in India. Ever wondered if you can kickstart your driving license with just a few clicks? Well, the answer is a big bold yes. Get ready to learn how to apply for your driving license online in India, right from the comfort of your home. Before we dive into this online driving license tutorial, let's check our checklist. You need Aadhaar card and learner's license. If you don't have learner's license, watch our video on how to apply for learner's license in India. The link is in the description. Have you got ready with these things? Good. Let's dive into the steps of this digital driving adventure. Your gateway to a hassle-free driving license application process. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off. Grab your device, whether it's a computer or your smartphone, and type parivahan.gov.in into your browser. So you are on the Parivahan portal, right? Cool. Now step 2. Scroll down and find the area that says drivers/learners license. As we proceed to the third step, let's get precise. Choose your state or union territory. This step ensures that your driving license journey aligns with the specific regulations of your region. Navigate to the drop down menu, select your state or union territory, and let's move ahead. As we move along to step 4, it's time to hit the apply for driving license button. Consider this the green light for your driving dreams. Take a moment to review all the steps needed for your driving license application. Once you have got it all figured out, confidently click on continue. Alright, buckle up for the next checkpoint. Enter your learner's license number, date of birth, and hit the OK button. After hitting OK, you will unveil the treasure trove of information. Your father's details and the RTO specifics. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Choose your vehicle type from the options provided, whether it's 2 wheels or 4 wheel. Make your selection. To carefully review all your application details. Once you are sure everything ship-shape, click OK. Upload your documents and click the next button. Enter your application number and date of birth once more. In the fee payment section, it's time to take the plunge. Click confidently on proceed. Now complete your payment. The fee varies based on the state you are applying from, so keep an eye on the details. Now, once again, head over to the official website www.parivahan.gov.in. Select your state or union territory from the drop down menu. Navigate to the appointments section on the website. Once you are there, look for DL test slot booking. In the DL test slot booking section, select application number, select vehicle type, and click proceed to book. Pick your preferred date and time and click next. Enter OTP. Click confirm to slot book. Your application has been successfully submitted. Now you can go to the respective RTO on the selected date and time with the application reference number. As we reach the end of our guide, remember your driving license is your ticket to freedom on the road. You have got the tools to apply online. So go ahead, stay safe, drive happy, and here's to countless adventures on the open road. Happy driving. I hope you have enjoyed our video, and if you liked it, please make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button and share, and stay tuned for more informative videos. Until then, thanks for watching InfoNomad TV.